is the Owners Club factory. Everything going on in here is Owners Club.
Why do you think your brand popped off? I guess
Because it's sick. Living good on this 4 AM Paris flight.
So we're back with another episode of Max and Paddy.
I thought it was Paddy and Max. Little change from Miami.
So we've left the sideways rain to the sideways snow.
Right, let's go say hello at the showroom and then go find a chip.
Good.
Yeah.
On that crinkled nylon jacket as they did in the UK for the US. We've had interesting conversations about people, we're still seeing skinny.
What's up, Mum? Oh, it's a Casablanca runway.
Oh, so
So it's not one of my ex-Parisian girlfriends. I thought it would have been. Not even tried it yet and I'm not even. Yeah. Shape on this is so sick. We are currently in the city of love. Look at this blue sky. -2 degrees. It's nice. You can beat it, but it is nice. It's a lot better than home. And we're here because we've got the fall-winter showroom on. And we've already previously done it in London. We're going to New York next week to do it. Milan was last week, meeting buyers, meeting stores. And we're going to go to a few shows whilst we're here as well. We've got Casablanca later on. And just, get the vibe, see what's selling, see what's doing well. See if we can find any cool inspiration whilst we're here. And eat a lot of croissants. This is a massive shout out to Helia, or Hugh. Literally the best fucking kebabs in the whole of Paris, and the guys absolutely love us, and we just skipped an hour queue. We got everything in like 3 minutes and it's fucking fire. This is beautiful. 10 degrees, sun shining. About to do some factory trips. We're gonna have a good few days. We've got to learn a lot. We've got to listen a lot. We're going to push forward. Best, biggest, motherfucking brand in the world.
George hasn't hit his pee today, so we've come to the place with the most pee.
Yo, yo, yo. Wake up, motherfuckers. It's time to kill shit. I'm just making espressos in CrossFit Force.
How's that?
A lot of squats. Didn't expect that at 5 AM. Body didn't want to do it. We did it. Still beat everyone in the class, even though we don't count. What else happened? Harry Potter was there again.
Okay, Noble Potter.
There's a Portuguese Harry Potter that is decked out in Noble. think he's sponsored by them.
You're in there.
Just pretend like you're not here.
Get in now.
You're in there.
You two with us. Come on.
Who made that sample hoodie?
Made up custom for us. So it's going to be black
Is it
with
gonna be
a
black?
white stripe.
Right. Ooh, I don't know. Because you could either have them hidden. Hidden might look nicer.
Yeah.
I miss her, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
My sister's a little
Hilarious.
Owner's Club, he looks nice.
Collections and the final stage of productions, yeah.
Nice. Good?
Yeah, make sure
If you need a bathroom or something,
You need a dog.
he's on the right.
Yeah, you do. Small or medium?
Yeah. Oh, it's sick. The hoodie's insane. Right, it's got a pocket on it as well.
yeah, heavy fleece.
247 drop 2.
It was for McQueen. Yeah.
February, March. Top camo. So this is going to be part of the mid collection. You've seen me wearing these t-shirts a lot. I've been testing fits, I've been changing fits. This has been about 9 months up to now. We're kind of getting to the end of it. It's going to release probably in high summer because I'm using a lighter weight fabric. This is like a rough inside out light jersey. You've got reverse stitching around the collar, different collar grading to usual. It's going to be a bit more of a dropped neck, shorter sleeves and a slightly different body. And instead of using metal bars because it's so light, I decided that we'll actually use a fabric that the jersey's in to replicate that metal bar that clips over the edge on the other jersey, just so it has a point of difference and it sticks with the raw look of this stuff. And then I think we'll be doing a little initial embroidery on the backs of the necks, but I'd like people's opinion on that because I still like it clean. Everyone else wants the embroidery on there. I'm open to either. Obviously it's not a big badge, it's not something that's going to be prominent on the front. It will be tonal to the garment, so it's hardly noticeable. But yeah, I'd like people's opinions. I'm probably the most excited about this stuff just because it's all new fits and it's more tailored towards what I actually wear every day. I like tucking a t-shirt in that's got more of a vintage shorter sleeve fitted vibe than a big heavy oversized t-shirt. So it's just something new that we'll test. There's also a lot of other garments going in this collection. Joggers, shorts, sweaters, hoodies, zip hoodies. So it'll be built out into a proper jersey collection, which is something new that we've not done before. This is the Owners Club factory. Everything going on in here is Owners Club. This is going to be an online exclusive for Valentine's Day. It's going to be a few colourways, limited quantities, quick strike drop. Just because we've never done anything for Valentine's Day before and I thought we might as well join in this year. So if you've got a lovely boyfriend or girlfriend that's looking for some represent, come to me. Sneak peek of the second Valentine's Day colourway. Going for the red on the ash grey.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah,
you know?
very.
There's a lot of opportunity for
Yeah,
us
yeah,
and
yeah,
for you
definitely.
guys. And if you're going to grow next door and things
Definitely.
like that, you know,
Yeah,
it's it means that our plans that we've got, you guys can support
Yeah,
it.
totally matching.
And that's
Yeah,
what we want to do.
definitely.
You know, when we started
Yeah.
a couple of years ago to where we're at now is
Definitely,
it's
yeah.
insane, isn't it? You know.
Yeah, and it's getting started. Yeah, so
Yeah, we need to hurry up with the new storage.
yeah, we need
put my
to.
hat
Yeah,
on
as you
and
can
start
see,
digging the floor
yeah,
and
it's
stuff,
packed.
so-
Yeah.
No, it'll be good.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
Yeah, we will expand to the logistic, then hopefully bring all the team here, make this a commercial department as well. So a lot of stuff we want to make.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
exciting, but it looks like it's never enough, right?
That's the challenge. That's the challenge.
So basically last year George and James sent me an email saying, hey Marco, can we have a Zoom really quick? And we jump on a Zoom and James said, hey Marco, we want to be your bigger customer next year. And we were like, okay, these guys are having big plans, but yeah, and today, fast forward 1 year, you can see it's all wrap factory. So I guess what James and George said was true.
Best factory as well.
Yeah.
Best factory, bro. The thing is, you know what? When I post pictures of in here of all the owners club, people don't believe it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't believe it.
No,
But it
it's
is
amazing.
crazy.
Yeah, it's
Scale is
amazing.
crazy. What? Everton have sang for it.
Have they?
And then we met in a huge place. Yeah.
I just love views, love horizons. Oh, is that the next name of the collection?
Like that. Like, is that enough? The sole's great. I really like the sole unit. I think the sole is good. I think the upper's good. It's not like I don't think the upper's good. It's just, I honestly think, and if they even looked at that, the difference between them isn't huge.
Did I buy the watch to match the bully or the bully to match the watch? So. It's definitely the best thing in fashion, but it's so slow, isn't it?
Yeah.
So stressful designing and everything, like, because you always want a new shoe out. Every season you want a new shoe. So it's so hard to actually get that in.
We only got the button screen yesterday. Like,
Yep, they look sick. This is the first bully off the production line today, which we've been waiting around to see all day. And there's a few little different changes that we made since the first sample you've seen that I've been wearing. Basically, comes with a taupey brown lace which matches the undersole. and the TPU's got the initial monogram fade out in it, and then on the tongue as well also is that like taupey brown tone and like a really forest green inner. I think the colours look fucking sick though. This is my favourite one. It's like a vintage white, creamy, and it also comes with a vintage white lace as well, which matches all the leather and suede on there. But this is the first silhouette of 2023, which is new, and it's our take on a skate sneaker, and it's my favourite shoe. Obviously I've been wearing it for the past, I don't know how long. Mine are absolutely filthy. They've been all over the world in the past 2 weeks, so I'll probably be taking these ones home.
How many bread rolls have you had today?
7.
When I was very young, I was used to eat
No,
more
I'm
meat
eating a sardine.
because the fish.
Have you ordered another cow again?
Dude, we just ordered a full cow. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. There's crisps again as well. More crisps.
This is homemade, you know, like
What is it?
a little bit of custard and like a cookie.
Right.
It's done.
Custard cookie.
It's done in house.
So what?
A custard cookie. I'm on that.
What is
For
it?
tomorrow, yeah, this one is better. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you guys.
Cheers.
For all the work, all the effort. Thank you.
Oh, it's actually really nice. Quite sweet.